February 28th, a big day for our custom whole home furniture factory. New intelligent equipment has arrived. These new intelligent machines are designed to upgrade our production line, making custom furniture manufacturing faster, more precise, and more efficient.
Hello everyone, I'm the factory director. Today, these new intelligent equipment arrive, which will greatly improve our production capacity, from material cutting to precision processing. Every link will be more professional to bring better custom whole home furniture for our customers.
With these intelligent upgrades, we can better meet the personalized needs of our customer. No matter what style, size, or design of custom whole home furniture you need, we can deliver high-quality products faster.
We keep upgrading just to bring you the best custom whole home furniture experience. Follow us for more factory updates.
Thank you for watching your dream custom home. We build it.